Hey friends, welcome back to Bitfumes. I'm your host Sarthak and you can also call me Ankur. In this episode, we are going to learn about has many through relationship for Eloquent provided by the Laravel. In the last 3 episodes, we have learned about one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship, and many-to-many relationship. In this episode, we are going to learn about has many through relationship. So let's just first understand the scenario for this case. Scenario is like this. You have 3 tables: countries table, users table, and posts table. You can see here users table has country ID. That means user table is directly connected to countries table, and post table has user ID. That means post table is directly connected to user table. But you can see here post table does not have country ID. Okay, so if you want to just get data about any country for a specific post, then you cannot do it directly. Here has many through relationships is become beneficial for you. In this relationship, this post table is connected to countries table via this users table. Okay, so for saving time, I have already made all these tables here and corresponding models in my folder. So you can see here I have country model, I have post model, and I have user model. And the tables here are countries table, and you can see here in the countries table I have 2 countries, India and America, with the ID 1 and 2 correspondingly. And then post table, you can see here first and second post is related to user 1, and second and third post is related to user 2. And obviously the last table, users table, where I have given the name of the user like Sarthak and Ankur. Let's just dive into the case and just learn how to connect all these tables. So just go to Sublime Text and go to the country model. So here you will make a function name, let's say posts, and you will return, you can type has many through. Okay, and here you will give the model class. Okay, so this is good, but as I have told you, this post table is not directly connected to countries table, so we have to connect it via a users table. So in the second argument I will type here user and the class. Okay, let's just go to command prompt, and here I will just start PHP artisan. And by the way, if you don't know about the Tinker, just watch my previous episodes. I have used Tinker many times, and you will get the idea how much easy and how much beneficial this Tinker is for you. So let's just type here app slash country, that means country model, and I will get all of the data. So I will get all of the data, that means there is 2 countries and I am getting 2 countries. But when I will say find ID 1, so it will give me only India. What I am doing here, I will just say posts, and you can see this is that function I am calling. And that function, when I call that function, it will return these 2 posts. That means for country 1, these 2 posts are related. And you can see here there is user ID also given. So that means the post is connected to country. You get the data for a specific country about a specific post via users. Okay, so this is very unique and this is very much beneficial for you. If you are making a large project, then it will be very friendly for you. I think you got the idea. So if you have any problem, just comment me, and if you want to learn something new and you have some problem, please feel free to ask me and comment me, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. You can also like my Facebook page at facebook.com/bitfumes. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, also at bitfumes. And don't forget to subscribe. And one thing I want to tell you, please share these videos if you like, if you know that this video is beneficial for any other person, please let him know, because sharing is caring, and if you share, you care. So if there is any good content, just please share that content, and please share my video if you like my videos, and comment. So bye bye, we'll meet in the next episode where we will talk about polymorphic relationship. So till then, bye bye.